Hi, my car won't start. I stopped at a coffee shop, but now when I try to start it, it just won't.
Okay, stay calm. When you turn the key, does the engine try to start or only that ticking sound?
No proper starting, just the ticking noise.
That usually means the battery is weak. Did you leave any lights on last night or maybe a door open?
No, everything was fine when I parked last night.
All right. When did you change the battery last time?
I think about a year ago.
Okay, turn on your headlights and try to start the engine again. Are the lights bright or flickering?
They are flickering when I try to start.
Yes, your battery is dead. Do you have any nearby auto shop?
Yes, I asked the coffee shop manager. He said there is a shop nearby.
Great. You should buy a new battery and replace it.
Okay, sure. Thank you for your assistance.
You are welcome. Drive safe after that.